Good morning to all. Last class we were discussing about the chapter of matter. There we are discussing what is matter, what is physics, what is molecules, what is atoms, the characteristics of the matters, state of matters. That things are already we are main points are we are discussed. Now once again we are go through further our book. What is science? Since the early time, the man was very confusion how the nature will be created like this. The earth is around the sun, moon is around the earth, the animals and nature are living together. Lot of confusion will be creating in his mind. Then the day and night, how it is occurred, the season change, how the heavenly body like the earth, moon, star and plants moving, how the plants and animals kingdom function and so on. He is a lot of research or researching and finding. Then finally he is finding the one solution. Science is the end result of this human attempt to understand and explain the basic principle, understanding all the such occurrence in nature involving in the living and non-living things also living the togethers. Nature always present us with the strong happenings. For example, a piece of paper catch a fire. Will on the iron piece or the steel block does not. A piece of iron sink in the water, but a ship floating on water. When we throw an object, it is immediately fall down. A magnet attract iron, but does not attract aluminium. Lot of research were carried out of the scientist and science also to explain the how it happened. He is researching again researching. Then finally he is divided. The science is basic divided into two main branches, physical science and biological science. The science he divided the two main branches. One is for the physical science, another one is the biological science. In the physical science, what are the terms are we going to learn? Physics, chemistry. What is physics? The study of matter and energy. You know the matter, the anything that can occupy the space, it is called the matter. Energy means the capacity or ability to do the work. Chemistry, the study of composition and property of matter. In the atom system, no, there are also some particles are there. Their particle, proton, neutron, electron. Okay, he is a composition in the properties. Biological science, we are studying botany and zoology. Botany means we are studying about the plants, only we are studying about the plants, how the plants are growth, it need water, some those other things are there. Zoology, the study of animals. Okay, he divided the two main branches. More about the physics, in the word physics was taken from the Greek words. Okay, fusion, it means the nature. We are studying about the nature. Physics is classified in the different sections such as heat, light, sound, electricity, magnetism and nuclear physics, etc. These are will be we are discussing about the physics. Heat is the form of energy. It will be transfer high temperature to low temperature. Light is the form of energy. It will be travel in the straight line. Sound also one form of energy. It will be producing by the vibration. Nuclear, it means the atoms. These things are will be we are learning for the about the science. Now we are going to discuss about the matter. What is matter? Matter is anything that can occupy the space is called the matter. For example, in front of you, in your table, books, box, pencil, eraser, those things are inside, in front of you is there. That all object or have the some matter. It also can occupy some space. There also have the some mass. For example, air, water, hydrogen, oxygen, sugar, sand, silver, steel, copper, coal, iron, wood, etc., alcohol, milk, oil, kerosene, petrol, carbon, sulfur, rocks and minerals are all different kind of matter, because all of them occupy the space and have mass. Just now I given one example, no? In front of in your table, books, box, pencil, eraser, the things are have. There also have that things also will be occupy the space and it have mass also. Think like a food, cloth, table, chair, human being, animal, plants and trees are also example of the matter. The word matter is used to cover all the substance and materials, living and non-living things, of which universal in the compose. Okay, the universal, all things are there, living things also is there, non-living things also is there. Composition of matter. Composition of matter. In ancient Indian philosopher thought that matter is made up of 5 elements, that are will be air, water, earth, sky and fire. And last class we were discussing about some natural elements are will be loving together. Some natural elements are the best enemy. Which are the best enemy of the nature? Fire and water. Which are the best loving nature? Earth and water. Okay, these are the composition of matter. What is atoms? The atom is the very large number of tiny particle known as atoms. Small particle, it is combining together. It is called the one atoms. A small drop of water, one small drop of a water containing about hundreds of millions of atoms in it. However, it was later found out that most of the atom cannot be excited freely in nature. All atoms are we not divided it. What is molecules? A molecule is made up of one or more than one atoms of the same kind or the different kinds. A molecule can excite freely in nature. It is simply mean that the molecule is the simplest and the smallest particle of a substance that is capable of independent extends. Both atoms and molecules are the so small that we cannot see them even with the simple microscope. Here some characteristics of property of matter is there. We have the 4 characteristics. First one, they are very small in size. They have space between them. They are in the constant random motion. They always attract each other. These are the characteristics of the property of a matter. Now first one, they are very small in size. They are very small in size. For example, you take one empty beaker. There you fill it 100 ml of water. that first beaker will be, we can consider A, the group A. Take 2 or 3 crystal of a potassium permanganate. Put it inside the beaker. You will notice that the water color will be slowly it will be changes will be there. Then take 10 where in the beaker A2 you take 10 ml of a solution, will observe that the color take some 10 amount of a solution and mix it with the 90 ml of water in beaker, and second beaker you take, the second beaker we can take consider like the beaker B. There you fill it 90 ml of a water. Already 10 ml of a solution we are take to beaker A. Then both mix it together. You will observe that the color of the solution is not as dark as the solution in the beaker. Beaker A and beaker B. If both you can compare it, the solution color will be some differences there. Now take 10 ml of a solution from the beaker A and mix it with the 90 ml of a water taken in the beaker C. The color of the solution becomes still lighter. Keep on this potassium permanganate solution like this a number of times. This process you can do it in the number of the times, and you will find that the color of the solution become lighter, but still it is pink. This experiment show that the single crystal of a potassium permanganate is made up of a large number of tiny particles, small particles, which can color the large volume of waters. See by the figure way we can understood. Second point, the particle of a matter have space between them. What is meaning of intermolecular space? The two molecular between some gap space is the that is called the intermolecular space. The space between the molecule of matter is called the intermolecular space. Take a 100 simple example. Take 1 cup of water. Okay, you can add it some amount of salt. Maybe 20 gram of salt you can mix it with that water. After mix it, dissolved or dissolved soluble. Soluble means which are mixed with each other. Dissolved means it not mixed with the each other. Dissolved, that both salt and water both together it will be dissolved. Then what happened? That salt will be where the space between in the water is there. There it will be occupy the space. Okay, the salt in the water gently the stray in it means mix it well so as to dissolve the salt will in the water. It is noticed that the level of water does not change. The level of, if you have taken the 100 ml of the 100 ml amount of the water, that level will be not change. It shows that the particle of a salt have occupied the space between the particle of water. That is called the intermolecular space. Now third one, the particle of a matter are in the constant random motion. It will be zigzag motion. It means it will be moving here and there. The particle of a matter are not at rest. It is not at the rest, but they move randomly in the all possible direction. You may have noticed that in the sunlight comes through the opening, a darkened room, dark room. The faint dust particle appear the dancing in the random and zigzag manner. This is because the air particles surrounding the dust particles are in the random motion. They hit the dust particle them to move in the another direction. It is due to the random motion of the particle of the when it is spreading in one corner of the room, it is soon spread through the rooms. This is called the random motion. Now the last final one, the particle of a matter attract to each other. We know the three state of matter. One is solid, liquid, gases. The solid will be the molecule arrangement, very closely and tightly it is packed. It is hardest substance also. There will be the intermolecular force attraction will be less or more. Okay, after this explained way, you will be understood. There will be the intermolecular force of attraction will be more or less. It means where the solid or liquid or gas. Each particle of a matter always attract to each other. The force of attraction between the particle is called the intermolecular force of attraction. This force keep the particle of a matter together. Why the intermolecular force are there? Then only there inside that particle will be moving together. It is our common experiment that around us some substance can be changed into powder, chalk, that we can change in the like the powder. Some other can be changed into small crystal, and some cannot be broken easily. Stone you can broken easily. The reason is that the magnitude means the meaning of value of intermolecular force of attraction varies from one type of matter to another. The intermolecular force depending on the nature of each matter, nature of each substance. If the force of attraction between the particle of the matter of a substance is less, the substance can be easily broken, but if it is more, it is difficult to break it. See here some example are given. It is easy to move our hand through water, but difficult to move the hand in the glycerin. The reason is that the attractive intermolecular force are stronger in the glycerin than in the water. Second example, it is easy to break a chalk into the piece of, difficult to break the piece of coal. The reason is that the intermolecular force are weaker in the chalk than in the coal. It is easy to move a body in the air than in the water because the force of attraction between the air particle is very small, and the distance between them is more as comparing to that between the water particles. In the gently, the intermolecular force of attraction between the particle is more in the solid. Generally, the intermolecular force of attraction between the particle is more in solid, less in liquid, and still less in gas. I was asking the question now, where will be the intermolecular force is more in solid, that after liquid, that after gas. What is the reason? Because the molecule arrangement in the solid, the molecule are very closely tightly packed. That's why it is hard also. It is breaking very difficult. But liquid, compared to the solid, the liquid is the less in intermolecular force. But there also intermolecular force are there. Comparison to the liquid and gas, gas is very less intermolecular attraction. Okay, today what are the things are we have learned? What is science? What are the branches of science? Physical science, biological science. What is composition of matter? 5 natural elements, which are fire, air, water, sky and earth. These are the 5 natural elements. And what is matter? Anything that can occupy the mass and space, it is called the matter. Characteristics of particle of matter. 4 characteristics are there, which are there are small in size, the force attracting to each other, the random motion and attract to each others. These are the 4 characteristics of the matter. Okay, revise and come next class. We will be discuss for the next other topics one by one. Okay, just read it the activity 1. Okay, next class we will discuss for the next topics. Thank you.